Okay, I'm in India at the moment, and this video I'm doing specifically for the unplugged woodworking group because I've got a workbench to show you. Check this out. All right, solid piece of wood. All those people complaining about pith in the wood, there's no pith. Yeah, really nice solid legs. Really, that's solid. I'd be happy to plane on that. That's not going anywhere. It looks like they're using it to bend the Rio. And this is their Rio bending tool. So it's not exactly woodwork, but it's certainly unplugged. Seriously unplugged. And if you want to see real unplugged, we go over here. Da-de-da-de-da. Walk, 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 walk. You see, over there, the offices, and they have typewriters. So yeah, unplugged.